Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit. Just sit down. Sit down, because you're gonna fall over. Sit down.
Fuck. Are you fucking serious? Open your fucking eyes! Are you fucking serious?
I didn't see you!
How could you not?
Seriously, I saw nothing!
What were you looking at?
I was looking at the street to turn!
That's exactly where I was.
Yeah.
Hey, call 911! Hey, can you hear me, bro? Fuck. Kicker, can you hear me, bro? It's a fucking electric fence. Hey, the fence is electric! Watch out, guys! Fuck. Kicker, can you hear me, bro? Hey, don't move, don't move. Don't move, man. Don't move. We gotta get the bike out. Watch out, this fence is electric. Just climb under, just climb under. Shit. Just stay there, bro.
Hey, someone's on the ambulance.
Hey, just...
Oh my God.
Hold on, just calm down, bro, calm down.
All right.
Hold on, careful, because it's on his arm, it's on his arm.
Yeah, right now. Call him. Look at his arm.
Guys, calm down, calm down.
Yeah,
We gotta move the bike a little bit over. Hey, someone help me pull the bike this way.
Power Dam Road by Max Park Place.
Careful, that's on his arm, man. Does anyone have something to cut this?
I don't.
A knife or anything?
No.
All right, so
You tell us.
let's just pull this up a little bit, not too much.
Yep.
I want to pull the bike out from underneath this. All right, 1, 2, 3 on the bike. I know. Oh, shit.
We need one now.
You've called the ambulance, right? You've called the ambulance, right?
Huh?
You called the ambulance, right? Okay.
We're on the Power Dam Road outside of Orinoco.
Kick. Wait. Bro, don't move, bro. Just wait. Just wait.
An ambulance like right now.
Hey, don't move, bro. Don't move.
You're
Just
on
wait.
Road 27.
Oh, fuck.
Yep. Is there a way we can pull it this way? Yeah. And that way. Kicker, don't move. Don't move.
Just relax, man. Just
Don't
relax.
move. Yeah. Just lay here.
All right, he's not on anything hot, so that's okay.
I just don't want him moving a lot.
I know. I feel like if we can move his arm.
Anything, hold his head. Do not let his head move. Yeah, just,
Kicker. Wait, bro. Don't try to move. Don't try to move.
Don't move, bro. Don't move. Hey, Kicker, don't move. Just relax. Don't move. No, don't move. Don't move. Fuck, man.
All right.
Okay, stop.
Kicker, just relax, bro.
Kicker, look at me. Hey, settle down. Just relax, bro.
Here, get your pressure off your arm.
Relax. Relax, bro. Relax. We got you. You're good. Relax. No, don't do that. Just relax.
Oh shit.
Yep, just relax.
I got you, brother.
Just relax. Just relax.
Kicker, do you want to sit up on your butt?
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to sit up on your butt?
I don't know where his other leg is. It's underneath the tree. It's underneath the tree.
Just sit here, bro. Just sit here.
Stop.
Turn aside. What about you? Huh? Where's it hurt? Where's it hurt?
We're gonna call 911.
Huh?
We call 911 for the hospital.
The main street. Damn. Doesn't matter, you're coming out, I'm on the road, this is my turn, you're coming from a parking lot. But to be honest, where situational awareness comes in, I couldn't see him, so I gotta assume that he can't see me. Right behind the young drivers. I hope they saw that. Yeah, I'm good. Ooh, I got it. Thanks. The f did I slip on?